In this video, we are going to break down exactly who you should be going after as a videographer. If you want to make a lot more money, you need to switch the person that you attract into your funnel, into your world. Because here's the problem with videographers. You guys will take on any work, anyone that comes your way and they're like, hey, I need this job, you will take it on. But did you know that the only way that you can actually scale your business is when you pick and choose who you want to work with and you market and work towards attracting them. And so in this video, I'm going to break down how to actually attract those people, who to go after, and I'm actually going to show you on Google Maps how to go after them and like the exact people and how many there are in your city. That way, when you watch this video, you walk away thinking, damn, I need to think bigger. I know that there's a lot more people in my city that I can nurture up and close, right? And so here's the thing. Guys, it does not matter what city you're in or trying to take over. I need to say this. I don't care if you're in Hicksville, like in some small city, or in somewhere like LA or Miami. It does not matter. I have a client doing $200K a month in a small town in Utah. And I have clients doing $50 to $100K a month in small cities and big cities. It does not matter. Throw that limiting belief out of your head. What matters is who you're taking on and who you're trying to solve the problem for. Because when you run one local ad in your city, you get to pick and choose who to take on. So you might as well choose someone that's actually making money so they can pay you high ticket. So here's the thing. Alex Hormozi always says sell to the rich, right? This makes so much more sense. Imagine working way less hours with less clients and making more money, right? And so guys, chase after broke clients, you stay broke. Look at these two images, right? In this, I could hear people bargaining, breaking down your price point, asking you to run around town like a chicken with a head cut off for low budgets, right? Low or less cheap clients and less low ticket packages. I make fun of realtors all the time because a lot of videographers get stuck helping a bunch of realtors. And I'm like, dude, you need to pivot out of helping realtors. You need to pivot out of this because the real money is made in a certain industry that I'm going to go over in this video. But guys, $200, $300, $500 shoots and then $2,000 a month retainers is not how you scale to $50,000 a month. And that's what we try to help videographers do. We try to help you guys scale past $50,000 a month. And it's almost impossible to do it running around town like a chicken with your head cut off. Like, it's just hard. And so who should you actually be going after? You should be going after service-based businesses, right? There's contractors, turf companies, roofers, mobile detailers, pool installation companies. Why should you go after these businesses? One, well, they're willing to pay you a whole lot more money. They're willing to pay you way more. And why are they willing to pay you more money? Because they are making a lot more money, right? A pool installation company charges $100,000. Contractors charge $10,000 to $30,000 to $50,000. Turf charges $5,000. Roofers charge $10,000. You get my point. So why would you go after realtors and cheap clients when they're barely getting by? They're not even thinking about marketing. They're thinking about being reactive and how are they going to get their next sale? While these guys are trying to expand. They're trying to take over your city. So if you can approach them with an offer that makes sense, you can absolutely take over. And guys, there are so many. I challenge you to do this after this video. Finish this video. But after this video, I challenge you to do this. Go to Google Maps. Go to your city. I'm in Boca Raton, Florida. And then go Boca Raton, and you can do any industry. Let's just do HVAC, for instance. All right, you see these red dots right here? You see each one of these red dots? That's a business, right? So if I go refresh it, another 30 pop up. If I go refresh it, another 30 pop up. If I go refresh it, you get the point. And that's just HVAC. Let's go contractor. Go do this in your city. Look at these red dots. There's hundreds of them. And here's the craziest part. They are all relying on Google and outdated strategies. They're all relying on someone calling them. Like these guys, if I scroll down and I'm on the 4th page now, which another 20 pop up, I'm never scrolling down 4 pages to go call one of them. But guess what? If one of their local ads pops up and they have an actual brand on Instagram, I will go then and buy from them. Brands are everything nowadays. And so you guys need to understand that you have an advantage right here. There's a whole market that literally needs your services and are good at what they do. They just don't understand branding. So if these people need what you do, they need your service, but they don't understand how to brand themselves and how to take over the city and actually generate leads on Instagram, why would you not be one of the first ones in your city to combine local ads and content and show them how to scale? Like, it makes no sense to go after these guys. I know these guys are, just looking at this, I'm getting a headache. Like, bro, like, just don't do it. Get out of helping realtors and cheap clients. And so, guys, I'm going to break this down even further, but just do me a favor and go look at how many people there are in your city. Any city, I don't care. There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different service businesses, and then there are thousands of service-based businesses out there all competing with each other. None of them know how to grow their brand. And so we all know content alone won't help them. You guys are selling content packages, right? Guys, content packages are so hard to scale. They treat you like a freelancer. They're like, where's my damn revisions? Like, guys, I've owned a content agency in the past, and I understand where you're at. These people do not treat you like partners. They don't treat you like, they're like, where's my revisions? Where's my edit? Where's my video? Like, they're literally breaking you up piece by piece. They're literally breaking up your pricing and what you're worth by video. They're like, you're like, all right, guys, it's going to be $2,000 for 20 videos. They're like, so explain to me why each video is worth $100. Bro, you want to deal with that for the rest of your freaking career? Like, I know you get that. And if you haven't got that, then you haven't worked with enough clients, right? It's a headache to work with these kind of clients. When you work for them, you're a slave to your business. But when you work with them, you have one aligned goal. One aligned goal. To generate these businesses leads and help them grow their brand. Guys, there's a different level of respect when you have a done with you offer that's actually a must-have. Content is a nice to have. A done with you offer that shows them how to generate leads is a nice to have. Or a done with you offer that generates leads is a must have. Like, they need this to grow their business because they're all really relying on outdated strategies. A done for you offer, content, hey, here's some scripts, here's some content. Like, you guys are basically selling work, because if content alone brought them leads every single day, then they would be paying you a lot more money. But let's be real, selling content packages is not what's going to get you to the next level. You need to learn one skill set, which is local ads, and combine it with your offer. And that's how we've helped hundreds of videographers, because they now have a must-have offer. And these people are just like you, right? Luke collected $280,000 in just 6 months, and now he's at $200K a month. That's the client I was talking about. He's at $200,000 a month. I have a whole client interview if you want to watch it. It's a 20-minute video. Sev, first 10 days working together, made $30,000. Reyes closed a $10,000 deal in 4 days. Because you guys are good at what you do. You guys are good at selling content. But imagine having an offer that got predictable results. So now it's not just content. We're not relying on the algorithm. It's, hey, I don't care how bad that guy is at content. All he needs, your clients, right? They can be some old guy that's not great at content. I don't care how bad they are on content. All they need is one local ad to take over the city. And when you sell an offer like that, it's way more attractive than selling a bunch of content packages, 20, 30 videos a month. That's exhausting. We don't even want to do that. I'm looking at you. You don't even want to make 30 videos a month. Let's be real. It's a freaking exhausting when you're trying to grow your business. All right? And if you want to see hundreds of other client wins, go check them out. Like, straight up, go to my Instagram, click on the story highlights until your fingers get sore. You're going to get tired. There's hundreds of them, because we have the best offer out there for videographers. I get all hyped up about it because I'm like, dude, these videographers are out here freaking helping realtors, helping cheap clients, when they could be selling less clients, selling a high ticket offer for $6,000 to $10,000 paid up front, which the client does not mind paying you that much because they are making money, and you're showing them a way to make more money predictably. You know how easy it is to sell that kind of offer? And I call this offer the hybrid method. Basically, we combine content with a local ad strategy to help businesses scale. And so after helping 100 plus videographers, we've learned that it's easier to sell a $6,000 to $10,000 offer paid up front, like straight up paid up front, than it is to collect a $2,000 retainer for just content. Right? It's easier to sell a $10,000 cash collected Cash collected. Guys, some of you guys are wanting to hit 10, $20,000 months. That's literally 2-3 clients. And here's the thing. There's so many people that are just like you implementing this. Like I'll go to my Instagram and show you myself. But like I need you guys to understand that the only way to scale your guys' offer is to actually have an offer that crushes. And so when I go here, you guys, I have the long form video for this as well. For the Luke video, for the 200K a month. Check it out if you want. All right, I want you to go check it out, actually. And so he did 200K a month. You're going to talk to him as well, ask him what the experience was like. Shows you what's possible. Reyes, first 4 days. Harley, he's the one that told me, he's like, dude, 10K client my first week. He's like, it's easier to sell 10K packages. Tyler, 3,100 deal, 8K for V, right? Like I have hundreds of clients. Just got another 7,500 for Sev. Clients launch their ads and within 48 hours have 50 leads and 3 calls. Like that's how simple it is. You like turn it on. You turn it on and you freaking scale. Gian with the 6K deal. These are all like this week, right? So like Tyler with the 6K deal. Cooper, dude, I'm gonna keep going. 30K a month. Tracy, $10,000 sale. Like you can, like I said, you can keep scrolling until your fingers get sore. The point is to just show you what's possible as a videographer and have you think a little bit bigger. Think outside of the box. Think outside of your creative zone, right? I know you're good at making content. I know you're good at capturing footage. I know you're good at being a videographer, but you're capped at your skill set. If the marketplace valued your skill set right now more than what you value it, you'd be making a lot more money. But the truth is, people don't really care about cool looking content. They like it, and that's why you're making 5, 6, 10, 15K a month. But if you want to make $50,000 a month, you actually need to show them how to get results. You need to show them how to get leads. So when you combine content with ads, you absolutely scale. And it's so easy to implement that even your grandma could do it. And so guys, I hope this video was eye-opening. The biggest takeaway, hold up. The biggest takeaway is I need you guys to understand that who you work with is very, very important. Who you work with is the most important thing in this whole freaking video, right? So, mirror will lag sometimes. It's all good. Like guys, these contractors, they are literally making so much money. These turf companies are literally making $6,000, $7,000. Roofers, $10,000. Like I said, these guys are making cash. Why are you going and underselling your service? Why are you taking on anyone that you can get? That's not how to scale in 2025. And so I hope this video was a little bit eye-opening, and I hope that you're like, damn, I do need to learn local ads. That's the next thing I need to do. And so guys, if you want to go and see the next video or a full breakdown of how the strategy works, it's going to be right here. Have an amazing day.